I'm from Nagpur and interested in AI from these years. I'm in hostel. Okay. Learning from hostel. Again, the cameras are off of every child. I can see only five students' cameras are on. Okay, fine, okay. All right, guys, very good evening. No problem if you guys are having any particular specific problem of the camera is not working or something like that, it's okay. So, today I'll be starting with again a bit of discussion, but yes, then we'll be learning an AI tool as well. Okay. I'll be sharing my screen. Before that, everyone in the chat tell me what is an AI. Do not simply write the full form of AI. I'm asking you what is an AI, not the full form of AI. Make sure that you listen to me carefully and then answer. Robot. Okay. You can say a robot. Don't be this much precise. At least elaborate your definition. When a computer is trained to behave like a human, good one, Diksha. The machine with multiple intelligence. With multiple intelligence, yes, absolutely good. And Okay, all right, everyone. Okay, yeah, machine that gives us various type of information and all that. All right. Now I'll be sharing my screen to expand this discussion. Very good that you gave good definitions, everyone. Good opinions shared from you all as well. 9 reasons of artificial intelligence is so essential right now. Am I audible and visible clearly? Is my screen visible to all of you? Confirm me in the chat quickly. And priorly tell me what is the difference between the English word essential and important. एआई को इम्पोर्टेंट माना जा रहा है कि एसेंशियल मान लिया है बिल्कुल? पहले तो इसका मतलब समझाओ. या डेफिनेटली मनन, व्हाई नॉट? What is the difference between the word essential and the word important? Essential is needed but important is needed but can do without. मतलब important के बिना चलेगा, essential के बिना नहीं चलेगा. That's what something which is non-negotiable, right? You need it for life. Okay, so that means we are saying that we are needing AI for our life. Are we in so much need of AI? Essential means it's nothing for a long time. Yes, you can say that as well. Good. It's an absolute requirement. Yes, absolute requirement. We can say that's good. Good words. But more good specific word will be non-negotiable. When we are having something which is non-negotiable, okay, that's what we say which is essential. Like we can't compromise, and if we don't wish to compromise, and if it is needing, we will be using it or we have to use it just for more of our survival, better lifestyle, and whatnot that it is required. But important is something, yeah, this is important to do. If even it is not, then we can manage without it also somewhere or sometimes. So we can say. So we have these 9 reasons of why artificial intelligence has become so important, or you can say essential right now. That's why there is a question mark. That's why our topic is a controversial, because there is a question mark. Because essential is written, so essential is right now with a question mark, and there are specific reasons to support this question. The first is the speed of AI implementation. How you guys are going to explain me this? What is the meaning of this is speed of AI implementation? That AI is growing and speeding up quickly. AI is actually absolutely necessary, very important, means valuable, but not strictly necessary. Very good, Nilesh. बताओ भाई. What the point says about speed of AI implementation. Absolutely developing super fast. This AI is incredibly fast. टाइम टू टाइम इतना फास्टली ग्रो कर रहा है, एंड इट इज बीइंग replicating, reciprocating day after day in each companies, in each fields, in the sectors we are living in currently, in our life around us, in the society, and that's why it is so much impactful. Yes, everyone. Whatever quick technologies are being evolved, whatever quick tech stacks are there involved in this AI as well, ML हो, NLP हो, and whatnot, डीप लर्निंग हो गया, न्यूरल नेटवर्क हो गया, बहुत सारी चीजें हो गई. नंबर 2, पोटेंशियल इम्पैक्ट्स ऑन सोसाइटी. यूनिक एग्जाम्पल देना, रिपीटेड एग्जाम्पल नहीं चाहिए चैट में. आई वांट वन यूनिक एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू दैट हाउ इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग द सोसाइटी. एआई सोसाइटी पे इम्पैक्ट कैसे ला रहा है? अभी क्या इम्प्रोवाइजेशन आ रहे हैं, क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहे हैं? कुछ बुरे इम्पैक्ट्स आ रहे हैं कि कुछ अच्छे इम्पैक्ट्स भी आ रहे हैं? हाउ डज इट affect? No, not discussions. It's just a few minute thing. We'll be starting with an AI tool as well. All right. AI will create more than 170 million jobs, more than 170 million jobs. In medical life, if there is any emergency, reduces unemployment. But if AI takes our jobs, won't there be unemployment? Adds to increase. It can replace jobs, white collar and desk jobs. But some companies can replace discussions essential. Okay, I think I can see that there is a conversation going on that AI is going to replace our jobs or give our jobs. Okay, what do you guys' opinion are? Good examples. Good Pushkar. Can earn money without doing anything by sitting at home. Absolutely. But you guys tell me, how much do you agree to this extent that AI will be replacing our jobs or will be giving us jobs? And can you really blame AI for replacing your jobs? सिर्फ एआई ही है पूरी तरह से रिस्पॉन्सिबल? एआई को पूरी तरह से हम ब्लेम कर रहे हैं कि हाँ वो हमारी जॉब्स छीन रहा है? कैन वी से दिस? एंड इफ वी आर सेइंग देन व्हाई यू गाइस आर लर्निंग एआई? जॉब्स छोड़ने के लिए लर्न कर रहे हो क्या कोर्स? और अगर नहीं तो फिर देन व्हाई आर यू सेइंग दिस? बताओ भाई, गिव इट अ सॉलिड ओपिनियन. Mostly, no, we can't say as I've created AI, but it has now evolved enough. They won't replace him because copying people needed to work. All right, perfect. See, if I would explain the right thing behind this, we cannot say that AI alone, like, we can't blame AI that you are taking away our jobs or you are snatching our jobs. It is just the difference between the skills. Whatever the job requirement is and whatever the skills you guys are having, उसका difference है. अगर आप upskill नहीं कर रहे हो, then you guys will not be able to catch up the requirement. वो तो हमें दे रहा है ना इतनी सारी jobs. उसी दिन तो हमने बताया था, डिस्कस किया था कि हमने कितनी सारी जॉब प्रोफाइल्स देखी थी. एमएल इंजीनियर, डेटा साइंटिस्ट, एआई इंजीनियर, एआई डेवलपर, एनएलपी, कंप्यूटर विजन इंजीनियर, डेटा इंजीनियर, रोबोटिक्स इंजीनियर, ऑटोमेशन इंजीनियर. इतनी सारी जॉब्स की अवेलेबिलिटी और ये कितनी ज्यादा हाई डिमांड में है, बल्कि हाई से हाई कंपनीज इसको हाई डिमांड में ला रही हैं. दिस इज जस्ट, इट इज गिविंग अस मोर एंड मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बट हमें उस स्केल तक, उस स्किल्स तक पहुंचना है. दिस इज अस हु हैव टू अप स्किल आवर सेल्व्स, our knowledge, our time, our decision making, our another developmental skills. हमें करना है. हम एआई को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते कि उसने मेरी जॉब ले ली भाई. हम उसके स्किल पे जाएंगे तो वो कैसे मेरी जॉब ले पाएगा? आई हैव टू बी हाईली स्किल्ड. आई हैव टू कोप अप. जो अनस्किल्ड होगा या जो लेस स्किल्ड होगा उसकी जॉब तो छूटेगी ही छूटेगी, क्योंकि शायद वो कंपटीशन में या वो रेस में ना आ पाए. आई अग्री कि यहाँ कुछ पॉइंट्स में एआई काम बहुत इजी कर देता है जिसके लिए शायद इंसान की जरूरत ना पड़े. बट इफ यू आर अपस्किलिंग, अगर आप अपनी स्किल्स को अपग्रेड कर रहे हो, एनहांस कर रहे हो, बाय द टाइम यू कैन बी इन दैट रेस, भाई तुम भी एआई की हेल्प से उस पोजिशन को एक लेवल अप कर सकते हो, एक लेवल ऊपर जा सकते हो. बट अल्टीमेटली स्किल्स सीखनी पड़ेंगी. आई एम ऑल्सो लर्निंग डेली. मैं भी डेली लर्न करती हूँ, स्टडी करती हूँ. I am a teacher. That doesn't mean that I've stopped learning and studying only. I regularly study, I regularly read, and I regularly try to learn and skill up myself in whatever way I have to. तभी मैं शायद कंपटीशन या इंडस्ट्री या रेस में बैठ पाऊंगी एट द एंड. बट आई कैंट ब्लेम एआई कि एआई ने मेरी जॉब ले ली. दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. एआई कैन इवन टीच द स्टूडेंट्स. डू यू ऑल अग्री? कैन एआई टीच यू ऑल? बट कैन इट टीच द वे am I teaching? Maybe not, and maybe yes as well. मे बी नॉट एंड मे बी यस. भाई इतने अच्छे अच्छे टूल्स हमने सीखे हैं. ऐसी वीडियो जनरेट कर देगा कि सिखा देगा मेरे जैसा. मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट देना, मैं अपनी स्क्रिप्ट दे दूंगी हिंदी में एंड इट विल बी एबल टू टीच. मे बी यस और मे बी नो. Yes. It can teach, but it won't be able to teach us from different view as it is trained only from a logical perspective. Absolutely, very good. वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ, it may be and it may be not. दोनों ही दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, बिल्कुल है। ठीक है, गुड। तीसरा, प्रायोरिटाइजिंग ऑफ एआई बाय एवरी लार्ज टेक कंपनी, मतलब जितनी भी एमएनसीज हैं, बड़ी से बड़ी कंपनी, गूगल से बड़ी कोई कंपनी नहीं है फॉर नाउ। टेस्ला है, गूगल है, और भी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज है जो एआई का यूज कर रहे हैं, और वो उनको चाहिए, डेटा साइंटिस्ट चाहिए, उनको एआई डेवलपर्स चाहिए, उनको एआई इंजीनियर्स चाहिए भाई, अपने बिजनेस सॉल्यूशंस को। ब्लैक रॉक, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, वेरी गुड। ये बड़ी टॉप क्लास कंपनीज है भाई। सोचो, इनको एआई की जरूरत पड़ रही है, उनको एआई इंजीनियर्स की जरूरत पड़ रही है, इतने हाईली डेवलप्ड रिसर्चर्स और साइंटिस्ट, और जो भी उनके अंदर होंगे जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा ग्लोबल सॉफ्टवेयर सोचो बनाया हुआ है, राइट। एनवीडिया। शॉर्टेज ऑफ नॉलेजेबल वर्कर्स, एआई की जरूरत इसलिए भी पड़ रही है क्योंकि कुछ स्किल्ड वर्कर्स की नॉलेज कम है, कुछ स्किल्ड वर्कर्स की डिमांड कम है। मतलब कह सकते हैं कि कुछ स्किल्ड वर्कर्स ही हमारे पास कम है, इसलिए अल्टीमेटली हमें वो करना पड़ता है ओपन एआई। एब्सोल्युटली गुड। इंजीनियर्स, गुड। तो हाँ, ये भी रिक्वायरमेंट है एआई की कि क्यों वो एसेंशियल बन गया है। नेक्स्ट, वी आर हैविंग कॉम्पिटेटिव एडवांटेजेस फॉर कंपनीज हु फर्स्ट अप्लाई एआई करेक्टली। अब जैसे कोई कंपटीशन में आप ही लोग खड़े हो, स्टूडेंट्स हो, एंड इफ यू गाइज स्कोर द फर्स्ट, तो फर्स्ट जो आएगा उसको रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे। एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे जो मार्केट में कंपनीज के बीच में कॉम्पिटिशन। सॉरी फॉर दिस। या तो जो कंपनीज पहले एआई के सॉल्यूशंस को यूज करके अपने बिजनेस सॉफ्टवेयर्स में इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कर रही हैं, उनको चेंज कर रही हैं, और वाकई में मार्केट में, इंडस्ट्री में ला रही हैं कि ये एआई डिजाइन सॉल्यूशंस है या एआई डिजाइन आइडियाज हैं, तो डेफिनेटली वो कंपनी स्टैंड आउट होगी जो भी बाकी कंपनीज है। और बाकी कंपनीज को भी एक किक मिलेगा, एक पुश मिलेगा कि भाई वो आगे बढ़ रही है, उसने एआई का यूज किया, एंड व्हाई नॉट अस। भाई अगर आप अच्छी कंपनी नहीं भी होगी तो भी आपको एम्प्लॉयज नहीं मिलेंगे। हम भी कंपनीज में देखते हैं, आई कैन सी, आई थिंक मोर देन 50 वैकेंसीज रेगुलरली फोन पे, लिंक्डइन पे मेरे नोटिफिकेशंस आते हैं दैट यू एआई डेवलपर्स चाहिए, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर चाहिए। कुछ बहुत ही बेसिक सी कंपनीज होती, बहुत ही लो लेवल का पैकेज दे रही होती, कुछ बहुत ही इतना हैंडसम अमाउंट दे रही होती कि बिल्कुल विश्वास ही नहीं होता कि इतने पैसे भी हम लोगों को मिल सकते हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सम फ्यू स्किल्स जो उनके जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा होता है। तो अल्टीमेटली ये बात वही है कि कौन सी कंपनी भी अच्छी है, कौन एआई यूज कर रहा है, किसको रिक्वायरमेंट है, और कैसे हम आगे काम कर सकते हैं उस कंपनी में। भाई एम्प्लॉयज भी देखते हैं ना कि हमें किस कंपनी में जाना है, किसी भी कंपनी में तो नहीं जा सकते ना, राइट। तो ठीक है। लीगल इम्प्लीकेशंस वर्ल्ड वाइड, ऑलमोस्ट हर कंट्री में जो लॉज और रेगुलेशंस है वो रिव्यू करे जा सकते हैं, अपडेट करे जा सकते हैं, इनकॉर्पोरेट करे जा सकते हैं कुछ नए ट्रेंड्स जो आ रहे हैं एआई में, बिल्कुल। जो भाई अगर हम पब्लिकली एक्सेसिबल बना रहे हैं किसी भी चीज़ को, ग्लोबली बना रहे हैं नेशन में, तो हमें उसके कुछ लॉज, रूल्स, रेगुलेशंस को करना पड़ेगा। कुछ क्लॉजेस डिफाइन होते हैं इंडियन जो भी ये सेटअप करते हैं एजुकेशन सिस्टम वाले। तभी इफ यू गाइस नो कि स्कूल्स में आज भी एआई का सब्जेक्ट लॉन्च करा गया है, पता है। अब स्कूल्स में बच्चों के लिए एआई का सब्जेक्ट बना दिया गया है। एआई एआई का बोर्ड एग्जाम भी बच्चे देंगे। बहुत सारे ऐसे स्कूल्स हैं। थर्ड फोर्थ क्लास के बच्चे हैं। आई हैव मेनी डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स विद मी इन डिफरेंट बैचेस टुडे ओनली। So they told me that they have AI as a subject, as a particular subject or as an optional subject. Exactly, Iman. Iman, I completely agree with this line. हमारे जाने के बाद. This is something really, really honest. I have also passed out. At मेरे time पे तो it was like physical education. My goodness, yoga, meditation, physical education was a subject because again that was the fitness streak or the fitness era was going on in these previous ages when I was of your age. But then we have passed out everything. There was no AI, there was no practical hands-on implementation, and the education system was again conventional and boring, copying the notebooks, course book, textbooks, and all that stuff. But no, it is not tough. It's about the education system. हु हैज टू टेक द इनिशिएटिव? आज एआई की नीड आई है तो आप जाके स्कूल्स में धीरे धीरे आए, वो भी सब स्कूल्स में नहीं, कुछ कुछ गिने चुने स्कूल्स में पूरे इंडिया में, कुछ गिने चुने। उसमें भी आता है कि भाई बड़े स्कूल में पढ़ाओगे देन यू विल गेट इट, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लो लेवल स्कूल और समथिंग देन यू विल नॉट गेट इट और व्हाट नॉट। तभी हम कहते हैं कि हमें खुद से स्किल सीखना है, वी शुड नॉट ऑलवेज बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन schools and colleges, right? Maybe yes, only CBSE schools have launched this. Maybe yes, good. फिर आता है ethical development. What is the meaning of ethical, everyone? Ethical शब्द का मतलब बताओ। वैल्यूज? क्या वैल्यूज दीक्षा? कैसी वैल्यूज, कौन सी वैल्यूज, किसकी वैल्यूज? नो मनन। सब लोग एथिकल और लीगल में क्यों कंफ्यूज होते हो? लीगल इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट, एथिकल इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट। दोनों प्रायरली सेम है बट डिफरेंट है। यस एब्सोल्युटली। टू एथिक्स इज लाइक अ पर्सन मॉरल वैल्यूज। हाँ मतलब किसी भी चीज को सही तरीके से करना, हम कहते हैं ना कि हमें झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, हमें चीटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए। सो वो होती है एथिकल। एथिकल मीन्स, लेट मी जस्ट राइट इट, समथिंग विच इज फेयर, राइट एंड मॉरली करेक्ट। राइट, ठीक है, गुड, एवरीवन गुड, चलो। All right, so we are positively done with, okay, two more are left, communication and public and private sectors, all right. अच्छा फटाफट से बताना पब्लिक और प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स क्या होते हैं, एग्जाम्पल एज वेल। I asked you what is the meaning of public and private sectors. Can you just explain me with some examples? How do you say that this is a public sector and this is a private sector? Okay, Durga Bhavani, for you it's are you a new joinee? For the first time, are you joining? Huh? 1516 TS Durga Bhavani. We are discussing that what is the meaning of public sectors and what is the meaning of private sectors in our country. Private, public is for government owned and private is for individuals. Very good. Private is Tata Steel, Infosys, Accenture, and anything. Public is government working for the welfares. Public sector examples. Examples दे दो. Public sector examples. ONGC. What is this? Tata Group. But Tata Group should be private now or public? Railways, very good. Railways, defense, public toilets, everything comes under public. The free transportation, the free buses which are owning up, buses, airlines, and a lot more things. These are all comes under public sectors. Yes, because these are for the public welfares, all right? Okay. Let's all of you come to today's AI tool. We'll be learning about Imagine Art. I just wanted to give introduction about this AI tool to you all. I just wanted you guys to know about it, that we have one such tool as well. And yeah, it is again to generate highly realistic, good resolution based image and video editing. Video generations can be there. And this is the AI tool we'll be learning today. So as I open it up, it will require login and sign up information, and I've already done it with my respective Google account. So it is not asking to me to do again. I'll click on Home tab from there on the left hand side. Clicking on Home tab, okay, yeah. Clicking on Home tab, it says it will be in this way. It will ask me for a prompt. Yeah, it will ask me for a prompt. So I will just say create an image or image of seven horses running or something like that. Anything that I want to be. If I want to create a video, my prompt will work accordingly. If I want to create an image, my work prompt will work accordingly. And if I want to just go for some random by default prompts, then there is a dice button with us to give us a random prompt, which are already saved to create a prompt and test out. And moreover, it actually works on credits. And for each and every single generation, it will cost us the credits for free, whatever credits were given to us, and it will cost us and it will be reduced again. So, very honest, guys, with you, I don't have credits. If I'll just click on it to try creating an image of this particular prompt, let me just. Yeah. As I tried clicking on it, see such interface opens up. Request failed with code 402. Try again. Something lagging up. Lagging is there. The site is crashing. I don't know why and how suddenly. So ultimately, this will be helpful in creating the images. Whatever prompts we are writing, we can create it. My one such image, which I have created earlier, was a folk dance image. Let it get loaded. This is the website which crashes, which actually takes a lot of time in loading. See, this was so beautifully created. It was a high resolution image which costed me 80 credits, and my all 80 credits are completely gone now. I cannot make use of anything. I cannot go for any new creation or generation. If you guys are having credits, we can, or else we have to go for even basic starter subscription premium plans and pro versions of it, because this site gives us that as well. And I have just written the prompt that gave me a folk dance image, and it has really given me a group folk dance with proper makeup, proper attire, the costume, and the background as well, the group celebration, everything by its own. I haven't mentioned that I want a group dance or I want the colored clothes or whatever. We can relight camera angles, variate, upscale, background change, a lot more things are there. We can even download it for free. But moreover, if I come to deep in editings or something, it is allowed, it is not allowed. We have to go for these plan versions, 18,000, 3,000, 2,200. The basic is 2,200 per month, which allows us with some of the features that it is allowing me for 1.6K, approximately 1,600 images I can create in over 1 month, and 265 videos I can create in 1 month. So this is a kind of tool which is AI based, but it actually requires all the kinds of money, like all the subscription plans for any generations we want to. Not for free, only one single thing I was able to make it out for free, which was just one single image, and after that my credits are lost. Even if I click on it, it will show you. And if I click on video, Again, it creates videos as well. It is a tool which is able to create us video and give us lot more videos, but again requires subscription. It can create image, it can edit the image, it can edit the videos, and these are all the respective models that we are having. Different models will be giving us different resolution based images or videos with us. Then we come to workflows. And what is the meaning of workflow, by the way? Workflow. No, Diksha, there is no way of earning the credits. We have to go for upgrade version. The only way is to keep on switching the Gmail accounts. Maybe you will get one chance or different credits. Maybe. That even I don't know about. But we cannot earn credits. There is no way of earning the credits. Workflow का मतलब बताओ भाई. I'm asking you guys. You guys are sitting still. We have this. See, if you can see, this is intact. This is all connected, one after the other, one after the other. So a kind of planning. Suppose if you want to create a story, if you want to begin with some video or something, you can go for it. These are the automatic templates which are also already given to us. See, section 1, how this video has been created. The first section comes out to be some of your prompts or something, then it is get connected to the second, then third with some expressions, then fourth, and this is how the complete workflow is there, how to execute the plan, how the video story or whatever thing we are going to create is going to be executed on it. And that's how I think we get some credits daily. Okay, Sushruth is claiming that we can get credits on daily basis. Let's see after 24 hours if I'll be getting the credits or not. If you guys also can check it out. And this is how we can create our workflow also. If I click on create new workflow, it will open up a blank page, allowing us to fix the things according to our workflow, which I want to create of my own, depends on what my context or topic is. Build your first workflow in under 1 minute and earn 1,000 credits. We have the option to earn 1,000 credits if we are able to build one workflow in just 1 minute. So I'll click on get started, and prompt is there. Okay. Connect to an image node. Skip onboarding for now. Get started. Watch this video to create a, oh, okay. Get prompt idea. Animate the image. Okay, I have created. Suppose run selected. Ah, purchase a plan to run. To even run this also we require credits. If it would have been run, then 1,000 credits would have been there. So the first thing I think, instead of creating image or something, this is what we can do. This is where we can invest our credits for free. So that 1,000 can be get. And we can see enter the project name at the top right corner, top left corner. There's a project name. So I can say first workflow of mine. I can do this as well. We can save it as well. We can share it as well. Sharing option is also there. The link is there, which is open to everyone, those who ever open. Any prompt I want to change, I can change. Number of runs I want to change, I can. Number of 1, 2 runs, how many times I want to run and execute it. Lot of things can be changed if I zoom it. Add a simple prompt to the text of note, whatever prompts are there. Uh, Dance here. For suppose I'm giving a dance or I'm start with message or something, or whatever thing. This is how I can just create one after the other connections I can build. I can just draw the lines, draw the boxes, whatever boxes are there. See, I can just change this pattern to here or this here. I want this line to be. Prompt is there, image, video, copilot, voice, everything is there. But again, everything is pro based and credits are required. The same thing is there, and this is how we can create a complete workflow of our own. How we want to go ahead, whatever thing we want to with. Yeah, that's really nice. Again, back to home because you guys are asking us for the credits. After workflow is again, that is the only thing. Everything is asking for us with the subscription or pro plan and everything, editing AI tools and lot more things. So yeah, this is all for today, guys. Imagine Art.Studio AI, which is completely a paid software. I think one thing is for free, and I really believe that we can spend that free credits on creating a workflow because it will be giving us the 1,000 credits in return if under 1 minute we are able to create a workflow or something that was already mentioned. So yeah, the doubt session opens up for everyone. Please go ahead with whatever doubts you guys are having. Everyone. one by one. That's all for today's session. I hope you like it. Tell me how was the session today? Ma'am, I created a kind of logo using ideogram. Can I share? Yeah, sure, you can, man. Good job. How's the session? How it went? Did you all learn something? Good. Okay. Doubts from your end? Any discussion? Anything to say? Anything to ask, guys? Iman is sharing a logo created by ideogram. Nice. The logo is nice. Very interesting. What Churadher? Chirag has sent a kind of emoji or something. I'm not able to understand what does that mean. Okay. Iman, can you just explain your logo? Ma'am, could you repeat the definition of the workflow or where it is used? Basically, it's kind of disconnected. Okay, sure, no problem. I'll be sending it. I'm writing in the chat itself. It is a channel name, Pastry MSPE. Okay. It is a Pix cake. Okay, Minecraft channel. What do you make it for? All right. The Pix cake is a part of a game. All right. Okay, good job. Very good job, guys. Really impressive that you guys are trying to involve yourself in AI. Hath Per Mario, you guys are trying to explore a lot and being into it with good interest. All right, anyone else? How do you like the session? We have ended up for today. Did you all learn any doubts, questions, anything more you want to say?